Guys, today we're doing a very quick recipe, spaghetti aglio olio and peperoncino. So spaghetti, garlic, extra virgin olive oil and chili peppers. It's a really fast 10-minute recipe. I'm gonna show you a little trick. All right, so right now I'm chopping the parsley. I'm gonna chop the chili peppers and the garlic. So I'm using 2 garlic cloves for, well, these are like large garlic cloves. You can use 3 medium ones, but I'm using 3 for 2 people servings, over and over again until they're really, really fine. Creating a little bit of a mixture of, I didn't intend to mix the parsley with the garlic, so we're gonna have a little bit of parsley in, cooked with it. But I'm creating a mixture of finely chopped garlic, chili pepper, which I'm gonna mix with extra virgin olive oil. And I want them really nice and fine because you want to have them blend with the sauce. It's boiling, we're adding abundance amount of salt. So pasta water is boiling, spaghetti in. You see how I'm tasting my spaghetti? It's a love affair. It's me and the spaghetti against the world. What you need to do is be on it. So now I'm tasting, it's not enough salt for my own liking. So while it cooks, and it's about 2 minutes away from getting ready, I'm gonna add a little bit more salt because I like it. Well, I literally decimated the salt. I'm starting with 3 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. Okay, adding the mixture of garlic, some parsley and chili pepper. I used and left the seeds so it gets a little bit more spicy. And now we sizzle it into this beginning stage of extra virgin olive oil. And I'm gonna show you a trick. You start with a little bit of extra virgin olive oil, and then you add, as it starts sizzling, some more cold extra virgin olive oil because it keeps the garlic and the essence releasing into the sauce while giving it a longer time to cook without burning. If you let the garlic burn, it will go bitter, it will not taste good. So you have to be on this. You cannot go and do your laundry. You cannot go and do whatever you want to do, gardening. This is a recipe that is so fast that it requires your presence. I added extra virgin olive oil 3 times so that I let the garlic cook slowly into it, changing the temperature each time because I'm adding cold extra virgin olive oil. This helps release all the flavors into the sauce. A little bit of chili pepper, it's also getting released and getting pulled into the extra virgin olive oil sauce. And now the pasta is al dente. Let me confirm. Yeah, it's perfect. Yes, guys, do you see this beautiful pasta pot? You're gonna get it in my pasta set. What it does is it enables you to get the pasta out and drain it while keeping the pasta water. Adding a little pasta water. And I'm finishing the cooking in this. Just gorgeous. At the end of the day, you're satisfying yourself. You're making yourself feel good, and you need to know what's what and how much salt you want it. So don't ask me. There's no oil. Are we even Italians if we have no extra virgin olive oil? It just makes you want to like eat more. Is that good?
Yeah, yeah.
Did you get it?
I got it.
Do it again.
Okay.
Yeah.
See, you need to make it good.
Incredible.
Also, this is low calories.
It's not too much.